we're back to I10 highway in Texas. Not sure exactly what part of Texas, but just know everything is white. We have witnessed so many accidents.
From El Paso.
From El Paso, Texas. Is it Paso?
Yeah,
El Paso, Texas.
To the fort where
To the fort in the road of I-20 and I-10. We chose I-10 because it was the bottom of the map, and seems that
the new Texas is Colorado.
Texas has now become the new Colorado. Everywhere we look, everywhere we look, white, 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 white. Oh.
So we have already slid, already once.
But just understand and know we are being very safe as we travel these highways and byways. We slid, but not as bad as others. We have seen some very tragic situations within the past 4 hours or so. With that being said, I think our slide was not as intense. You know why? Because we are still rolling. Now look how fast he's driving. I just hope that he keeps moving far enough ahead to where he does not interfere with us, because we do not want to slide anymore. I can keep this camera rolling, and if he slides, we'll have it on film. But other than that, we will be traveling right around that accident. The problem is, a lot of these truckers feel like the snow is nothing. Feel like they've done it before a million times, and this is just what they do. But you know, this is a matter of life or death. That one piece of ice flicks his hand up, rolls the hell out of your wheel. Next thing you know, you're off the cliff.
You can't control ice, dummy.
So, you know, you have to just be wise.
Who said that?
The ice. So, we will keep you guys updated as we move along Texas.
Show you everything.
And we will show you everything that we come across, how our night is going to be spent, and we will also show you when it starts clearing up, if it does. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.